Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math becomes easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is u square minus t equals 21, t square minus u that equals 21. You have to find the value of u and v. For this purpose, we will solve this as, first of all, write u square minus t minus t square minus u, and this will be equals 21 minus 21. Now this equation will become u square minus t square plus u equals 0. Now make this as, arrange this u square minus t square and then plus u minus t equals 0. Now here we apply the formula of u minus t, u square minus t square as u minus t into u plus t, and this will be u minus t. Now take u minus t as common, so remaining will be u plus t plus 1, and this equals 0. Now we have two pairs, u minus t equals 0 and the other one is u plus t plus 1 equals 0. Now we got u minus t equals 0 means u equals t, so this is rejected because this is not possible that u equals v. So situation is that it will not equal. So we will consider the second one, that is u plus t plus 1. So here we can write this as u plus t plus 1 equals 0. Find the value of t. So t equal minus 1 minus u. Substitute the value of t in equation 1. So equation 1 is u square minus t equal 21. In place of t we will replace minus 1 minus u equal 21. So this is u square plus u and plus 1 minus 21 equals 0. So we got u square plus u minus 20 equals 0. Now we will make the factors of 20 such that when they are subtracted give 1. So u square plus 5 of u minus 4 of u minus 20 equals 0. Now taking u as common, remaining is u plus 5, and then minus 4 is common, remaining is u plus 5. Now we have u equal 4 and u equal minus 5. There are two situations for u. First of all, we will substitute the value of u, t equal minus 1 minus u. So when u is 4, then t equal minus 1 minus 4 means minus 5. And when u is minus 5, then t is minus 1 plus 5, so that is 4. So we get the answer for u and v is, we will write the solution here, that uv order pair will be, when u is 4, v is minus 5, and uv order pair as when u is minus 5, v is 4. So we will say that this is the solution. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.